So 2 input XOR gate, we already know after simplifying for De Morgan's, we already know it's nothing but y equal to a bar plus b dot a plus b bar the whole bar. We have simplified this in the previous clips for De Morgan's. Let's quickly draw a bar plus b. So this is a bar b in series with a plus b bar, and this is my ground. This is my output. Complement will come as a pull up. A bar in series with b and a in series with b bar. Does that make sense? This we have already studied. So now we want same like an equivalent inverter. We want this equivalent resistance to be equal to R. This equivalent resistance equal to R. Correct? Mobility ratio we have assumed as 2. So 2, 1 gives me R, mu n equal to twice mu p. So I want my pull down to be equal to R. That means they both are in series, right? So this has to give me R by 2. This has to give me R by 2. And they both are parallel. So only one of them has to be on in the worst case. Same is the case at the bottom also. So we already saw if I make the W by L of NMOS 2, I get the value of my resistance as R by 2. So this is nothing but 2, 2, worst case, right? So any one of them is on and it has to give me still R by 2. Is that making sense? Similarly, 2, 2. So let's presume this is on and this is on. It will give me R by 2 in series with R by 2, which is R. Let's go up and see pull up. They both are parallel. So we have to presume the worst case, any one of the parallel path is on. Either this path is on or this path is on. And when this path is on, it has to give me R. If this path is on, it has to give me R. Correct? So PMOSes are in series. We know that if PMOSes are in series, it will give us an R. We already saw this for an OR, right? When both of them sized are 4. We already saw this. So this is 4 and this is 4. The series combination will give me an R. Or if this path is on, this has to be 4, this has to be 4. The combination will give me a series of, give me a value of R. So this is the worst case designing where we ensure that through a symmetric inverter, we ensure that the charging and the discharging time were same. For that, we changed the W by L of PMOS, and then we drew a lot of circuits equivalent to that inverter by changing the W by L values, taking the mobility ratio as mu n equal to twice mu p, and considering the worst case scenario, which means that in parallel loop, any one path is on, and in series loop, all the transistors in the series needs to be on to give us the worst case value. I hope you have followed this. Stay tuned for further clips and thank you very much.